Yeah, I don't use the axes, but I do use charge attacks a lot. Spin to win. It's a decent way of putting it. Hunter Axe is easy mode weapon because of that attack. Really? Okay. That looks pretty cool. Wait, what is the... I can't remember what the... Nah. Oops. There we go. So is rifle speed. The charger too has insane reach, so you can just use it all the game to hit things as they walk towards you. Indeed. Yeah, you can definitely set them up for fail. Set the enemies up. It's pretty cool.
Very well, let me.
What was it? 1 in strength and 1 in skill. Okie dokie. Actually, I never really tried using rifle spear a lot until starting off a new character a couple of days ago. Oh yeah, both are fun though. The axe has a great move set, and the rifle has a great transform, which is super fast shotgun blast. Seems weak in the beginning. Yeah, it does seem a little bit weak, but the charge attack's pretty tough. But this will be the first playthrough where I've pretty much gone and picked up the Ludwigs like at such a low level. Yeah, I've never done it at this level before, and I've only got like 3 or 4 characters. One of them's New Game Plus 1. I have the Rita Palash rifle spear build. Both are fun weapons. Okay, cool. No. Nah, I didn't die then. Creepy woman. Holy crap. Do you have to? Just let me kill you, please. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, up here. Wow, that damage is crazy. Dead. Dead again. Even when you don't fully charge it, it still does a bit of damage. But it's not a whole bunch of damage. Does it get really good when you upgrade it? I think, in my opinion, I think it does get pretty good. But you know, it's only my opinion. I'm planning on making a Bluntinge skill arc build for Blades of Mercy, Rita Palace, Chikage, and Evelyn because I haven't played with those that much, but apparently a lot of people think those are cheap in PvP. Really? What level are you going to be with all those stats? No idea. Even though it's not to me, I know.